Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. If you're watching this video, chances are you're looking for ways to make more money, possibly decrease your debt. So what you're going to learn if you watch all the way till the very end is we're going to show you how to increase your current income. Number two, how to decrease your debt. And three, you're going to be able to do this without any changes to what you're currently doing. So again, if you're watching this video, maybe you're checking out myEcon, their financial strategies, or just looking for ways to make and save more money. So please make sure that you watch all the way through, you get the information. And now I'm going to break down these things so you can understand how you can increase your pay and decrease your debt. And you can do this legally and ethically without any major changes. Let's dive into it. Now, how you're going to be able to do this is with the financial strategies provided to you by a company called myEcon. That is their specialty. Financial strategies helping you make and save more money and business building. Now, we're not going to talk about business building in this video. If you want more information on that, link in the description down below. Right now, we're strictly going to talk about how you can take your current situation that you're in. So chances are, if you're watching this video, you probably have some debt. You probably want to eliminate that debt. You probably want to put more money back in your pocket so you're in the right place. And you're going to be able to do that with two different services that are provided to you by myEcon. So the first one is correcting your W-4. Now I'm going to walk you through exactly what this process entails, how you can do this, and what the end result could potentially be for you. So we're going to be taking a look at that, and we're also going to be taking a look at debt elimination. And when we combine these two products and services that you can get with your myEcon membership, you can on average put about 10 to 15% more back in your paycheck, and you can start using those extra savings to start eliminating your debt. And I'm going to break all that down for you here in this video so you can have an easy understanding of how this works and how you could literally do this right now today and put more money back in your pocket literally today at the end of this video. Okay. So let's dive into this. And don't worry, at the end of this video, I'm going to break all of this down on a dry erase board so you can see it for yourself and you can understand visually how this will all work. But the thing that we're going to do first is we're going to dive into the correct W-4, which is also known as what's called income shifting. Okay. So this is where you are going to shift your income around to put more money back in your pocket. And the videos here with your myEcon membership are going to walk you through exactly how to do this. Okay. So chances are, if you're working a job right now, you have a W-4 with your employer. What you're going to do is once you have your membership activated with myEcon, I would probably do this right off the bat as soon as you get started so you could put more money back in your pocket. And the best part about this is you can do this without promoting the business. You can do this just to utilize the services and take massive advantage of what the myEcon system allows you to do. Okay. So this overview video is going to walk you through the W-4 income shifting process. I'm going to explain that here in just a second. And then this video here is going to walk you through step by step how to do it. So let me explain it in layman's terms so you can understand what this does for you. So again, if you're working a job, chances are when you started your job, you filled out a W-4. Now, most of us working for another employer, we generally don't know how to fill out a W-4 properly. So you either put 1 or you put 0, and then you're going to have most likely the maximum amount of taxes taken out when you get paid, whether that be weekly, biweekly, or monthly. What this process is going to do is show you the proper way to fill out your W-4 so you put more money back into your paycheck. So let me give you an example. At the end of the year, if you're wishing and hoping and praying for a big refund, that ultimately means that you did it wrong throughout the year. Now, this is probably goes against every way that we've been taught growing up and getting jobs. We always hope for a big refund. But if you're hoping for a big refund, that means that the government took too much of your money, okay, out of your paycheck, okay, and they kept it. And then at the end of the year, you're hoping and praying that you get a lot of that back. Where if you had your W-4 filled out properly, you're going to put more money back in your weekly or biweekly paychecks, and you're going to have no money owed at the end of the year. And by the way, myEcon can show you tax strategies that will help you put more money back in your pocket. Now, I'm not going to guarantee this for you, but I've been doing this for years, and the way that they show you how to do this is legal, ethical, and trust me, it can put a lot more money back in your pocket. Okay. So just follow along. Make sure you get all the information here. So once you fill out your W 4 properly, that's going to put more money back in your paycheck. And come the end of the year, you're going to owe hopefully no money, and you're going to be getting a very small refund back, which means you get more money every single month. Okay. That's how that process works. And again, stick around to the end because I'm going to map this out on a dry erase board, what this could look like for you, and talk about the average savings that myEcon members are seeing when they adjust their W-4. Okay. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do, okay, is you're going to want to, once you adjust your W-4, now you're going to want to look at, okay, the debt elimination software. This is going to help you start chipping away at your debt with the money that you just saved in, doing the W-4 correction and shifting around your income. And that's all you're really doing is you're shifting your income away from your taxes, away from the government and into your pocket. So I hope that makes sense. Okay. Now, once you have done that, now what this video is going to show you, this is like a 1-2 combination. What that video is going to show you how to do is how to start taking the additional money that you're now saving, that is now back in your pocket, and you can start eliminating your debt. You can start chipping away at your debt. And this video will walk you through how that works. So you're using 2 products and services that are available to you with your myEcon membership to help you, number 1, make more money. Number 2, start eliminating your debt. This is a tried and true process with thousands and thousands of documented results over the years. My friend, this process does work. If you're thinking about this and you want to start eliminating your debt, you want to be increasing the amount of money that you're taking home every single month, this is the best way to do it. And you could do this without changing what you're currently doing. You don't have to run out there, and you're not doing door-to-door sales. You're not doing hotel meetings. You don't have to worry about getting people on 3-way calls or any of that sort of stuff that is associated with making money online or having a home-based business. These are just following the simple strategies that are provided to you with your myEcon membership. Now, again, if you do want to learn in the simplest way possible in about an hour a day how to share the business and make even more money, and then take that additional money and chip away at your debt even better, well, link in the description down below. You can learn more of that information. So let's head on over to the dry erase board and talk about the best ways right now that you could start taking this money and what that looks like for you and how effective this could actually be. Okay, so the ultimate goal here is to eliminate your debt. Now, you got to realize, obviously, this is going to be a step-by-step process. This is not overnight, but this is the best way to do it. And like I mentioned before, this is one of the best ways to do it without drastically changing your current situation. This isn't about getting a second or third job or anything. This is about utilizing what you already have at your fingertips, okay? So I'm going to head on over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to map out some things for you so you can understand this. So let's say that the average debt right now is about $10,000 in credit card debt. And I'm just going to use big real numbers for this example so you can see it for yourself, okay? Let's say hypothetically you have $10,000 in credit card debt and you're looking to chip away and eliminate that and do that in the best, quickest way possible, okay? Now, let's say hypothetically your average monthly payment is about $200 per month. And I think that's a fair average to use in this example, okay? Now, knowing that you have about $10,000 in credit card debt, you're making about $200 a month in monthly payments, okay? Let's say that the average salary, and everything I'm going to give you here in this example is going to fluctuate based on your actual real numbers. It's going to fluctuate based on the amount of money you make, all of those things. But these are averages, what we're seeing when people are applying this strategy that I'm sharing with you in this video, because it's documented proof and it does work, okay? Let's say the average salary right now in the United States is around $50,000 a year, okay? If you were to apply the income shifting strategy with myEcon, the average savings is around 10 to 15%, okay? So what is 10%? Okay, and I'm going to go on the lower side. I'm going to be very conservative. So 10% of $50,000, okay, is literally $5,000. And I know that's a little tough to see because the camera's small right now, okay? But that's about $5,000 in tax savings per year that you could be applying to your current monthly income. So if we were to divide that by 12, okay, that would be about an additional $417 per month that you could put back in your paycheck and get back from the government. So instead of them taking that money and then you hope and wish and pray that you get it back at the end of the year, because they don't have to give you all of it. They could only give you a percentage of it depending on how you fill out your taxes. Okay. So on average, you could get $417 back in your pocket. And again, these are all based on average. It could be more. I've seen people that have used this that have put over $1,000 a month back in their pocket applying the income shifting strategy. Now, check this out. Instead of paying, and this is where you utilize the extra money that you're getting now with income shifting, with your W-4 correction, you don't turn around and go spend it aimlessly. No, you apply it towards your debt. So instead of paying on average $200 a month towards your credit card, now you add that extra $416 or $417. And instead of that, now you're paying over $600 per month towards your credit card debt. So which is going to get your debt paid off quicker, a $200 monthly payment or an over $600 monthly payment? It's obviously a no-brainer, okay? So as an example, okay, so in this case here, I got the wrong number in there. Okay, so the average monthly tax savings, let me just correct this for you here. The average monthly tax savings, okay, would be about $417. And now your credit card payment, okay, is going to be about $617. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. And you can see that right there. So then once you get that credit card paid off, and again, this is not an overnight process. So if it takes you 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, whatever it is, applying this strategy, now the next thing you're going to do is once you get that credit card paid off and that $600 that you were putting towards that credit card debt, now if you have more debt, let's say you have a student loan, a car loan, whatever it is, you take that $600 that you've been chipping away at your debt, and now you put that towards your next debt. So instead of making a minimum payment towards, say, a car loan, a 20 or 30 or 40, $50,000 car loan, and you're making the minimum payments, now you add an additional $617 on top of that other loan that you're paying, and you start chipping away, or what I call hammering away at that debt. And trust me, my friend, this is the most ethical, legal, and best way for you to start chipping away at the debt. It puts more money back in your pocket. And again, I've seen on average 10 to 15% more back in your paycheck every single month. So think of what you're currently taking home right now. How would it be for you if you could add 10 to 15% more to that? Would that help you and your family out? That is what the myEcon membership can do for you. So if you want to start this process, if you want to go through this and apply this yourself and apply these financial strategies, because again, we have proven and documented success with this. We've helped thousands and thousands of members over the years. Link in the description down below to get started. You could literally get started for $20, $40, or $100, depending on how many benefits you want, depending on how many extra bonuses you want. All that information is in the description down below. And if you're looking for even more information on how you could take these strategies and start sharing this with others, which you by all means don't have to do, I just want to help you put more money back in your pocket and help you eliminate debt. But if you want to start sharing these strategies with others, you could start netting even more commissions and take those additional commissions and chip away your debt even faster, because that's what myEcon does, my friend. It helps you make and save more money through strategies and business building. It's really simple, and they've been doing this for over 20 years because it's proven, documented, and it works. I hope you got value from this video. Link in the description down below to get yourself started. If you have any questions, my phone number is right at the top of this video. You can send me a text message, ask me anything, or drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching, my friend. I look forward to helping you as soon as possible. I'll see you on the next one.